Welcome back. In this session, we are going to be learning how to create business card for our catering brand, Melendez Kitchen. The first thing you will do is for you to choose the business card paper size where you create your business card. So you go to your property bar here to choose the paper size. You scroll down, it's at the bottom. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here we have Japanese business card. So forget about the Japanese. Our focus is on the business card. So click on it. Okay. Normally we have is on portrait paper orientation. We have two paper orientations. We have the portrait orientation and we have the landscape orientation. The portrait orientation is when the layout is standing vertically, while the landscape orientation is when it is standing, it is lying down, that is lying horizontally. So the orientation that we are going to be using for our business card is landscape orientation. Now for you to swap your orientation, you come to here, your property bar. You can see portrait, landscape, portrait, landscape. Another place where you can swap your page orientation, come to your layout menu, then see switch page orientation. Once you click on it to switch, click on it to switch. So there are different ways to achieve that. So after that, so I will need to apply a box directly on my layout here. How can I achieve that? Come to your toolbox, use your rectangular box, then double click on it. Once you double click on it, there will be a box, a rectangular box applied to match the shape of the layout directly. This is very good. This is good because if you want to draw the box manually, left click on the rectangular box. Yes, want to draw it manually, you may not get it perfectly. Not draw it perfectly. You zoom in, look at it, it's not fitting in. No, it's not fitting in. Not fitting in. So that's why it's advisable to double click on the rectangular box to place a box on the layout automatically. So the two color I'm going to be using for this design, I used the color in the previous video where we created the logo. I'm going to be using black and gold. So the background of this my community card is black. Come here, use RGB black, which is here. Exactly. Then I will remove outline from here. Right click to remove outline. Okay. So I need my logo. The logo we created in the previous video. I will need it. Okay, let me come here. Okay, here is it. Melendez Kitchen. Select and copy. Select and copy. That is Ctrl C. Then I'll have to paste it here. Ctrl V. Okay. So if you want to reduce, remember, don't reduce from top. Don't reduce from top. You are spoiling it. Only don't reduce from this side like this. You are spoiling it. So either reduce by this angle, from these angles, this 4 angle. That's where you reduce. Right. So if you click here, you are reducing it. So if you watch here, it is reducing from one side. But if you want the both side to go, you hold down your shift key. Press down your shift key, then drag down one side to decrease accordingly. So okay, I'm going to position it. So I need to add the um, email. I need to add email. So let me create a space for that. Let me create a rectangular box. Okay. Okay. Then it has to be in good color. And we have to remove the outline. Right click. Yes. To remove outline. So let me type the email. So I have to copy. Okay, I have to copy this scripting letter, this scripting from the logo. To do that, I have to ungroup or ungroup it. Then I have to duplicate for easy duplicating in CorelDRAW. Whether you tap your plus key on the keyboard, you have to tap on it to duplicate, or or you right click and drag to your destination. Then once you leave it, you see copy here. I don't need this spacing. I have to reduce it all. Okay, and I need it in lowercase. So I'll go to text menu, change case, lowercase. I need all the alphabet to be in a small letter. Okay, so I'll have to add Melendez to it. To add Melendez to it, there's the website will be www.melendez sketching .com. Okay, something like this for the website. So here is the front view of the complimentary part. Here's the front view. So the back, for me to get the back view, I have to copy this my black box in the layout. How to do that? Just right click, copy here. Now I want it to be white. Set to be white color. And the white color, then I want to add the style. To duplicate, you can let me use my box. Let me use box. Okay, perfect. Let me add this shape to here. F10. Okay. Convert to curve. A normal way I would do it, convert to curve. Then to apply nodes, click, add the node plus. Okay. So I need to create another box where I can place my addresses, phone number, emails, something like this. Exactly. Something like this. It's a good color. No outline. Okay. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm doing the back view of the complementary card. So I still need my logo at the back side of it. So I have to duplicate it. In my way of duplicating, right click and drag. Right click and drag to a position and copy. Let me use 50% black, not too much black for it. Okay, these two are normally using zoom tool. This is it. Zoom tool, or you just tap your Z on the keyboard. It enables you to zoom in, to zoom out. Left click and drag to zoom in. Right click and drag. Right click and drag to zoom out. So that's the two I always use while designing. So I have to add my address and phone number, email at this part now. So before then, let me introduce the icon. Let me in the icon to design first. Here's the vector file of the icon. Okay, I've copied it, then paste it here. Okay, first one here is for the address, second one is for the mobile phone number, the last one here is for the email. Here's the address, and that's the three details I need here at the back of my complementary card. Once you select this thing, you make use of C alignment. You have different alignments. I will spin that one as we go on. Okay, let me reduce this a bit. Give it a white color. So I need a line that will demarcate my address, my phone number, and my email. Guys, I need to draw a line. Here is a freehand tool. Freehand tool is majorly used for drawing lines. We have other sub tools under it. They are majorly used for lines, line. The keyboard shortcut for a freehand tool is F5. So once I click here, to get a perfect straight line, you hold down your control key, then tap. Yes. Okay. So I need this line to be white. In the previous video, I explained something like F12 for outline and F11 for fill. So I'm going to apply that now. I'll tap my F12 on my keyboard. So I need this line to be a bit thicker. Is one point. Then the color, you can also change your color here. When you come to this last one. Okay, is it not okay? Let me choose white. I don't use the eyedropper to choose white. Correct. So that changed there. Okay. So here is it. Then you have to duplicate it. Right click and move it to this point. Right click and move. Copy here. Exactly. Then I have to write down my address, phone number, and the email. So let me duplicate this to do that, since it's already on mouse. Right click and move. Then here. I tap my Z for my zoom tool to activate zoom tool. Whatever thing you are doing, try to zoom in so that you don't make mistake. Try to zoom in that particular area. So the address is 402 Morgan. Okay. Morgan Place. That's the address. Morgan Place. Just something like this. Okay, Morgan Place. Yes. So this is, okay, I want to change this my address to 30 keys. You can just complete it. Let me say California. Anyone? I'm just assuming an address here. So I want to make it of 30 keys. Okay, so uppercase, all caps. Okay. This is just an address I've omitted. Then the phone number. And set to phone number. So plus 224 90 this and 90 this. So phone number is the number, then email, then this is for the email. Let's put yes at gmail.com. So change this on title case text, change case, I need upper all caps. Okay. So here is the sample of the complementary card. Just a simple complementary card design for the Melendez kitchen. So for you to do a full preview of it, you come to view menu, then full screen preview. Here if you want to zoom in, do your zooming, click here to do zoom in, zoom out, zoom to fit, and so on. For full screen preview, you tap your F9 key on your keyboard, or you come directly to your view menu here. So tap on it. Here is your full screen preview. This is how full screen preview looks like. So here is the simple complementary card design we have done for Melendez kitchen. So in the next video, we are going to place these complementary cards now on Mockups. We then have to create it on Mockups. Let's just to go out from here, just tap on any key in the keyboard. You can go out of it. So in the next video, we are going to place this our complementary card design on Mockups. So I'll see you in the next one.